Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube students. Dear students, in the previous lecture we have derived quadratic formula. Right now we are doing application of quadratic formula, and we will learn how to use quadratic formula to find the solution of quadratic equations. It's Ilmi book, page number 7, exercise 1.2. Its related question are question number 1, first to 6 parts. Before starting the lecture, we should know that the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And we need to remember quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Fine. First of all, we are going to convert this equation into the standard form of the quadratic equation, like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So, under root 3 x square plus 1 into x minus 4 under root 3 is equal to 0. The standard form of the quadratic equation, then it will be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a will be this, b will be positive 1 and c is equal to minus 4 under root 3. So we will write a is equal to under root 3, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4 under root 3. The first step was conversion of given equation into the standard form of the quadratic equation. The second step was to find out a, b and c. We have done these both two steps. So right now we are going to write down formula of the quadratic equation, that is, now here we need to substitute the value of a, b and c into the quadratic formula. That will be minus b minus, what is the value of b is 1, plus minus b square means 1 square minus 4 as it is, a is under root 3 and c will be minus 4 under root 3. Fine. This will be 2 into, what is a? A is 2 under root 3. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 minus this minus and this minus will be positive. Fine. And 4 4s are this 4 and this 4. 4 4s are 16 and this is under root 3. You know that under root 3 into under root 3 will be under root 3 whole square. So it will be, this will be cancelled. This is, so we will multiply it by 3 divided by 2 under root 3. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 16 3s are, that is 48, divided by 2 under root 3 is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 49 divided by 2 under root 3. Under root 49 is equal to 7. So minus 1 plus minus 7 by 2 under root 3. So here this is positive negative. So one time we have to write down x with plus, and the second time we are going to write down x with negative. So it will be 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6 by 2 under root 3. Here it will be minus 8 by 2 under root 3. So 2 3s are 6. It will be 3 by under root 3. And it will be 2 4s are 8. Minus 4 by under root 3. When we are writing under root 3 into under root 3 2 times, it will be under root 3 whole square. This is cancelled. So that is equal to 3. So in the place of 3, we can write this down. In the place of this 3, I am replacing under root 3 into under root 3. Under root 3 into under root 3 divided by under root 3, this will be cancelled. So x is equal to under root 3. So here we have got x is equal to under root 3 and x is equal to minus 4 by under root 3. Why these two roots are here? As the equation is quadratic equation, so the degree of the equation is 2. As we are having this quadratic equation, so quadratic equation have degree 2, so we must be having two roots. Fine. So solution set will be 1 under root 3 and another one is minus 4 by under root 3. I hope you have understood. Right now we are going to solve question number 1, its ninth part, that is a by x minus b plus b by x minus a is equal to 2. Its related questions are question number 1, its 7th part, its 8th part and 10th part. So by using the same procedure of question number 9, you are able to solve question number 1, 7th, 8th and 10th part. Let's begin to solve it. Here we are having two terms, fractional terms having numerator and denominator, and on the right hand side there is a constant value, that is 2. Whenever we are having a fraction, either it is in the form of algebraic expression or in the form of constant value. So you need to first take out their LCM. Here see the denominators, both two denominators are separate. Here it is x minus b, here it is x minus a. So we need to write down x minus a as well as x minus b. These both two are same. For this term, for this term I am going to cancel the same one, and what is the remaining one? This one is the remaining one. Fine. As you know that the same for the solution of this term, the same one will be cancelled out and the remaining will be multiplied by the a. What is the remaining? Remaining is x minus a, that will be multiplied by a. So it will be, now it's the time to solve this term. Here the same will be cancelled out. Fine. What is the remaining one? This is x minus b into b. So it will be b into, you can see that there is single numerator and single denominator. So we can apply cross multiplication over there. The whole expression is multiplied by 1, then it will be a into x minus a plus b into x minus b is equal to 2 into x minus b into x minus a. Fine. So again I am distributing a on this expression. It will be ax minus a square plus bx minus b square is equal to, so let's multiply these both two expressions. So it will be x square minus bx minus ax plus ab. Fine. When it will be multiplied by 2, so it will be 2x square minus 2bx minus 2ax plus 2ab will come over. Now let's join these both two. Coefficient with x square, coefficient with x and the constant term. We have to make this whole expression into the standard form of the quadratic equation. Fine. So it will be minus 2 when this will come over here. So it will be minus 2x square, this minus 2bx plus bx and this minus 2bx plus 2bx plus ax, this one, and plus 2ax. When it will move from this side to this side, it will change its sign. Fine. And the last one is b square minus a square minus b square. When it will move from this side to this, it will be minus 2ab. So nothing is remaining over there, so it will be equal to 0. All terms we have shifted from right side to the left, so there will be 0 over there. Minus 2x square, this will be 3bx, 2 plus 1, 2bx plus 1bx, so it will be 3bx. This will be 3ax. Fine. X square coefficient is negative, so I want to make it positive. For making it positive, so I need to multiply the whole expression left side and right side by minus 1. So it will be 2x square minus 3bx minus 3ax plus a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 0. Here you can see that 2x square minus 3 is common. It will be bx and minus also, minus and 3 both are common. So inside will be bx positive plus ax, and I am taking that x out, so it will be minus 3 b plus a into x, as I have to make the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x as well as the constant term. A square plus b square plus 2ab is what? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is the open form. I need to close it. So it will be a plus b whole square. Fine. If I am going to compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is, then you people can easily judge that a will be equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3a plus b, and c is equal to a plus b whole square. 2, b is equal to minus 3 a plus b, and c is equal to a plus b whole square. Getting? Now after taking out these three values of a, b and c, we need to write down the formula of quadratic equation. That is, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here I am substituting their values. Minus b is minus into minus, this is minus of the formula, and this is negative of b, minus 3a plus b. Fine. b square is minus 3a plus b, that is whole square, minus 4. What is a here? It is 2. What is c here? It is a plus b whole square. Getting? Fine. Now 2 into what is a? That is 2. So x is equal to minus minus plus 3a plus b plus minus b square, means that 3 whole square, so 3 3s are 9 and negative will convert into positive. 9 a plus b whole square minus 4 2s are 8a plus b whole square divided by 4. 3a plus b plus minus 9 minus 8, that will be 1, a plus b whole square. This will be cancelled with this by 4. X is equal to a plus b is taking common, so 3 plus minus 1 by 4. So one time it will be written as a plus b is common, 3 plus 1 by 4, and x is equal to a plus b is common, 3 minus 1 by 4. X is equal to a plus b into 4 by 4, and x is equal to a plus b is common, that 2 by 4. 4 is cancelled with 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it will be x is equal to a plus b, and here x is equal to a plus b by 2. Hence the solution set will be a plus b by 2 comma a plus b. So we have done question number 1. Question number 1 its third part, and question number 1 its ninth part. You can solve all exercise 1.2 by following the same procedures we have done in question number 3 and question number 9. I hope you have understood my lecture today. If you are having any confusion or any query, you can write down into the comment box or mail me on my email address given below in the description box. Keep watching my videos, stay blessed and keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.